I want to ask you, what is the characteristic of product?
The characteristic of product is three. That is raw material, bulky and perishable product, and the quality variation. So the first one is raw material. It is largely a raw material. So farm production to from a farm product to a process form. For example, the livestock to meat and wheat to cereal. The second one is bulky and perishable. Agricultural product are more bulky. So how to reduce the bulkiness? So we need a speedy handling and
Transportation.
yes, transportation actually, and large special refrigeration. Okay. The last one is the quality of variation. So, from year to year, the variation is different. So we need to standardize and grading.
So the next one I will ask is, what is the characteristic of production?
So the characteristic of production can be divided into five. So the first one is the total output. The population of the people is increased, so we need to increase the food production. However, the population growth is faster than the agricultural growth, so it is difficult to maintain the fair prices. So the next one is annual variability in production. Total farm of output from year to year is responses to the price of government program and uncontrollable factors such as weather and disease. So it gives impact to purchase prices and need for storage facilities to maintain enough food supply. So the third one is the seasonal variability in production. Agricultural product is actually seasonal. So some product are product year round. Some are seasonal, such as the fruit. So the fruit this problem can be solved by the fruit should be processed into a can or tin immediately. So then the ability of storage is required, so supply can be maintained predictably. The fourth one is the geographic concentration of production. It is depend on the climate, environmental and soil, such as in Sarawak we produce pepper, and for Johor is famous with pineapple. So the last one is the varying the cost of production. So cost of production varies by region and among farmers. They are the factor that might contribute to the cost of production, such as weather, the technology, type of crop, management in handling the cost, and the land size.
So the next question is,
Okay.
what is farm utility?
Farm utility is the process of changing the raw material together to make them more useful. So in a business, farm utility is involved making a product ready for consumption by
Converting.
convert it to a form that is more beneficial to consumer.
Like wood.
Like
wood to chair.
wood to table, and the woody product lah.
So the next question is, what is the problem related to marketing of
Agricultural commodity product. Okay, the first one is the difficulties to improve prices. The price is depend on the market stability, and the market stability is depend on the demand and supply. For example, the farmer can improve the prices of the product through grading,
Packaging.
packaging, and other
Ada itu.
relevant activities. Okay, the second one is the food security problem. The farmer doesn't have control for the output. So when the output supply is greater or lower, when greater, it might cause surplus, or
Insufficient.
for lower, it might cause insufficient of food supply. So the third one is the problem of the cost price squeezing. Yes, squeeze. It is referred to a period of increasing of cost and simultaneous increasing or stable prices. So for the example, when farmer is increasing the cost of input such as fertilizer, the seed, and many other, so and it will at the same time it decreasing in the crop prices. So the next one is problem of to minimize cost of marketing. So producer actually have to pay the marketing
Expenses.
marketing expenses, such as the delivery to the customer and other.
Ada activity.
Yes, such as storing good and promoting. That is what the producer will pay, the cost that they pay. So the last one is enable to allocate resources properly. So the use of market is to allocate resources, but depend on
Market system.
yes different. That is the different type of market system. So in a perfect market, the producer
Does not have power.
does not have power and does not influence the market price of the good. But in monopoly, they have the power and influence the price of the goods. Oh, actually, they are I'm sorry. The sixth one is the conflicting outcome of the farm policies. So, large agribusiness have rewritten the rule of the global agricultural theory that is using the free trade agreement that turn the food into profit rather than the human right. The famous trade agreement is the NAFTA. What is the effect of NAFTA? NAFTA can affect in the loss of small farmer income, the loss of land and increase in migration, spread genetically modified organism, and environmental degradation. So the second one is the problem to protect consumer of the lower income group. So the lower income consumer is suffer the economic loss from the tariff and the quotas. The trade force actually the trade force the price of import to rise, which allow the domestic producer to raise their price as well. So the last one is the superior bargaining power of buyers. The consumer put pressure on the producer by demanding on the high quality of the product, better customer service, but at a lower price.